Okay, I'm using these overalls that I got from the thrift store. The items you would need are needle and thread, fabric, seam ripper, Sharpie scissors, and some sandpaper and some tweezers. Start off by just marking where you want to make your cuts. Then take your scissor and cut through your marks. Make sure you don't cut your pockets. Then you take your seam ripper and basically try to pull the white thread through. And you can also use a tweezer to pick the blue thread out. And now I'm just using my scissor, making smaller lines. And this is how it looks so far. It definitely needs to be more holes and more distressed spots. So I'm just about to go crazy. I'm also using my sandpaper to distress, and I just love the way it comes out. Okay, so I'm just taking my fabric, just trying to see how my holes are looking so far, and it definitely needs to be distressed some more. Okay, this is how it looks so far, and I love it, so I'm going to add my fabric. Okay, so you want to use your fabric to trace the outline of your bottom part of your overalls. So just pin it and try to line it up. Okay, then take your scissors and cut along the crease. Okay, so you want to make sure your fabric is under your pockets and not on top. And I'm just basically trying to trace out the shape of my overalls and trying to measure and make sure everything line up, and want everything to be exactly the same size. Once everything is lined up the way you want, just cut along the crease. Once you remove all the extra fabric, pin your fabric to your overall so it can be easy for you to sew it. Okay, with the sewing, I'm just basically doing simple stitch at each corner of my fabric and then tying the thread at the end. For the pockets, I'm sewing it straight down. And like I said, I sewed my fabric to my pockets, not to my overalls. Okay, now you want to remove the extra fabric that is hanging out. Sewing the fabric to my pockets instead of the overall made the stitches less noticeable and basically made this project 10 times better because now it has a cleaner look. The less stitches you see, the better. Okay, you guys, that is how it turned out. Oh my god, it is super cute. I freaking love it.